test. It's only a test.
Looks good. It's a little tight, gonna make it a little smaller. All right, the acrylic turned out good. I guess we're going for it. 3/16" steel and a whole lot of hexes. Let's go. First hex down, 1,000 more to go. Damn. Of course, the guys are gonna probably paint this, finish it, make it look real nice. So far, it just looks like a whole bunch of hexes cut out. Let's see where this thing goes, because this install is going in is really, really nice. My guys over there at Audio 916, they're killing it with this clean build. Not everything's about crazy bass. A lot of times it's about how clean your install is, and this one's one of the cleanest ones I've seen around town. So let's check it out. I'm gonna call him right now and tell him to come get this thing. All right, so we got this piece here. It's all ready to go. Yeah, we got Greg from Audio 916 Sacramento. So this piece right here is already hand built from the ground up. This is no stock shit right here. And this fits right in the middle like I showed you earlier. Let's go check out the vehicle that's going in, man.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man. I love doing this stuff, man. All right, what do we got here? This is a Toyota, it's a
4runner TRD.
Look at all that glorious Zapco.
Custom Zapco amp rack. And this is where this bad boy's going. We got two 15-inch subwoofers right here.
What kind of subs are these?
Top secret, baby.
Top secret, baby. Okay, well, we don't know what those are because you won't tell me yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Hey, man, I'm in awe of your install, though, man. This install's great. I would rock this in a heartbeat.
Look at that, baby.
Yep.
So that's how this thing is going to be pulling in and out.
Let's see that.
You go get your piece.
Yeah, go get the piece. Get the custom hexagon vent plate. Look at that glorious Zapco. It's so beautiful. These guys did a great job on this install. Glad to be a part of it. I mean, those subs are molded in. They look factory. They look like this truck came with it.
This is the magic, baby.
Yeah.
This is what this is all about. So now, once this is all epoxied in, you can throw your groceries in here and the amplifier can breathe.
So the whole point is to be able to handle the weight. That's why we use the 3/16. If we used anything less than that, it would probably be bending and all kinds of stuff. This is not going to bend.
This way we can throw luggage, everything. Amplifier fans are in and out, no problem.
That's
Look at
beautiful.
That. Look at that.
I mean, it looks good just the way it is,
Yep.
but I know that he's going to finish it up.
Oh, absolutely.
So what kind of Zapco amps are these?
These are their AP amplifiers, Class AB, top of the line, best that Zapco makes today. Digital sound processor, also as you can see engraved our little name in it and stuff, and integrated into the factory system. It's beautiful, just beautiful.
That's grown folks shit right there, man. For real. Man, you guys are killing it over there. I would definitely let you touch my car. And I don't let people touch my cars, man. All right, before I let you go, man, I want to know what's up here. So we got the factory integration,
Yes,
which is always nice.
Here's the Zapco processor controller right here. I don't have it turned on, but anyways, let me see if I can see if that'll pop up real quick here. Let the controller jump on here. C-Bum Zapco.
Yeah.
We've got the Focal top of the line M series components, 3.5, 1 inch, and 8 inch mid bass in the door.
It is mid-bass down the door.
Correct.
Oh, I like that. And that looks, I mean, is that a factory grill? It's not a factory grill.
Factory.
Yeah,
That's all factory. The dash we did a little different though. The 3.5 inch we made.
Oh, look at that. We got the hex holes, the hex vents up here too. Kind of following the theme.
Yeah, buddy.
Bad as hell, man. Bad as hell. Well, you know what, man? I can't wait to see this when you're all finished. You know, where can these people come and see this at if they want to? You can have it ready for the SkyHigh barbecue?
SkyHigh barbecue, baby.
Okay, right on, right on, right on. And check it out. Thanks for letting me be a part of your build.
Thank you, buddy.
Bad as hell. Sick.